Hi everybody, I hope you're doing really well. It's me, Sarah, back with some more craft activities for you. This time we are doing the theme of musical for our Home Heart project. We are looking at a few different musicals, but one of them is South Pacific. So I have prepared a couple of activities for you to do with nautical themes. So up on the wall here, I have got some boat bunting and it's quite simple to make, so I'm going to go through that with you just now. So what we need is some wool or string to stick your little boats onto and some sellotape to do that. Also some paper to make the boats from. So these are all A4s that have been cut down into a square size. So I've got a few different colours. I've got green, red, yellow, but you can do whatever you want. If you're going to go full nautical, you could do like a navy blue and a white, like my top here, but whatever you've got is fine. So to make a boat, we take one of our squares, and the first thing we do is fold it in half across the middle, and that's diagonal, so that you get a triangle shape like this. Next, I'm going to take this top point here and fold it up to that folded line like that. So we end up with something that looks a little bit like an envelope. So we've got our folded edge here and we've folded that top bit in like that. Okay. Next, we're going to make the sails. So we pop it down like this. We're going to take one side and fold it up like that, and I'll hold it up for you to see like that. So what I've got here is I had my envelope shape, and then I took this edge and folded it up so it sticks up like a little sail. I'm going to do the same thing with this side, so we're going to bring this up to meet it and fold it in like that. So I'll do that on the table here. And we're very nearly there. It's very simple. So put a fold in there. So now we've got this. So we've folded our sails up. Okay, so if we turn it over, what we're going to do is make this into the base of the boat. So we're going to fold this part away. So I'll do it and then I'll show you. Push that down. Okay, so this is our boat on this side. So what I've done is I've just tucked a little bit of that bottom piece up like that, and there we have our little sailing boat, and it actually sits on its own there. There we go. So to make some bunting, make a few of those, and then really easily you can just get some wool or string, and you just want to put a little bit of sellotape onto there and the sails, and once you've got a few, you'll have that and you can hang it around wherever you want. Okay, have fun with that. Remember to take pictures of it, I'd love to see, and put it onto the Facebook page for Home Help. Okay. Oh, so Home Heart, sorry. Okay, see you, bye bye.